Do you freeze when speaking English? Do you feel shy in front of friends or teachers? Most beginners always translate from their native language. They think in Hindi first, then try to find English words. This makes speaking slow and awkward. Imagine this: someone asks, "What's your favorite movie?" You think, "Mera Pasandida film kaunsa hai?" By the time you translate, the moment is gone. You feel nervous, stumble over words, or stay silent. But wait, most learners completely miss this trick. There is a better way. A way to think directly in English. You won't need to translate anymore. You will speak more fluently, confidently, and naturally. In this video, you will learn how to train your mind to think in English. You will discover simple exercises to make speaking easy and fun. You will learn real-life strategies used by successful English speakers. And the best part? You can start today. Even if your English is very basic. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. This is not a grammar lesson. It's a speaking and thinking lesson. Are you ready to change the way you speak English forever? Why thinking in English matters. Many learners focus only on vocabulary or grammar. They memorize lists of words and study tenses. But if you always translate from Hindi, all that effort slows down your speaking. Close your eyes and think of a simple sentence. I am hungry. First, say it in Hindi, main bhuka hoon. Then translate it into English. How long did it take? That pause is what makes beginners nervous. Most beginners treat English like a separate language in books. But English is meant to be thought, spoken, and felt like your first language. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am tired. I like tea. Say these aloud without thinking in Hindi. Imagine doing this for every sentence you want to say. You will speak faster, more confidently, and naturally. Thinking in English stops your brain from relying on translations. Sentences will come automatically, like in your first language. Don't worry about mistakes yet. Fluency comes first, perfection comes later. Stop translating word by word. Word by word translation is the enemy of fluency. For example, I feel like eating something translates awkwardly from Hindi. English has its own rhythm and phrases. Imagine saying it correctly without thinking in Hindi. Feels amazing, right? Repeat these phrases aloud. I am very excited. Can you help me? I don't understand. Say each aloud 5 times. Your goal is ideas first, words second. Think of the whole sentence, not each word. Build the English thinking habit. Practice daily, in small steps. When you wake up, think, I am awake. I feel fresh. When you see food, think, I am hungry. This looks delicious. When you walk, think, I am walking. It is a sunny day. Here's a fun challenge. Try this for 1 hour today. Your brain will start forming English sentences automatically. Look around and describe 3 things in English. The book is on the table. The cat is sleeping. The phone is ringing. Don't judge your sentences. Mistakes are okay. The habit of thinking is more important than perfect grammar. Learn phrases, not words. Memorizing words is not enough. English is about patterns and phrases. Repeat these common phrases aloud. How are you? I don't know. Can you help me? I like this. Say each 5 times, imagining a conversation. Think of phrases as mini sentences in your brain. Don't translate word by word. Recall the whole phrase naturally. Speak to yourself in English. Talking to yourself is one of the fastest ways to think in English. Stand in front of a mirror and speak English. No one is watching. No pressure. Pure practice. Try this for 5 minutes today. Hello. I am learning English. Today is a sunny day. I feel happy because I am learning. Speak aloud even if the sentences are simple. Your mind will start forming English naturally. Use English in real-life situations. Use English every chance you get. Speak English at home, with friends, and even online. Try these today. Ask a friend, "How are you?" Say, "I want water at home." Text in English, "I am going to the market." Start small, 1 sentence a day, then 2, then 5. Gradually, it becomes natural. Listen to English and repeat. Listening helps your brain think in English. Repeat what you hear. Don't just listen. Listen to a short sentence, "I like coffee." Pause and repeat aloud, "I like coffee." Repeat 5 times. Start with short sentences. Gradually, your brain will form new sentences automatically. Visualize and think in English. Close your eyes and imagine a cat sleeping. Think in English, "The cat is sleeping." Don't translate from Hindi. Try with other objects. The sun is shining. I am drinking water. Visualization plus English thinking equals faster fluency. Make mistakes, don't fear them. Fear of mistakes stops beginners from speaking. Mistakes are your best teachers. Say aloud, "I go to school." Wrong. "I went to school." Correct. Laugh at mistakes and correct them. Confidence plus practice equals fluency. Practice daily, make English a lifestyle. Consistency beats talent. Speak English 10 minutes daily. Use all strategies, think, speak, visualize, repeat. Even beginners can become confident speakers with just 15 minutes a day. Treat English like brushing your teeth. Daily small steps equals huge results. Conclusion. Stop translating from Hindi, think directly in English. Learn phrases, not just words. Speak to yourself and use English in real life. Listen, repeat, visualize. Don't fear mistakes. Practice daily. Imagine 6 months from now speaking English without hesitation. Fluency is about your brain producing sentences automatically. Comment below 1 sentence in English that you thought today. I will personally read your sentences. English is a skill, not a talent. Practice every day, and you will see magic. Subscribe to Speakway English for daily tips and exercises. Say it with me. I can think in English. I can speak in English. I am confident.